Put the gold one in. No. Now, put it down. Now, push the blue button. I love my old toys still. So sometimes you'll have to let me play with it. Oh, well, I'll help you. Now put this green one in.
Look at this, it's pulled right on the ground. I don't like to see that.
Okay, push the blue button. Oh, they're so fast. Let me see the car.
Whose toy is that?
Me and Elizabeth.
You're sharing it with her now?
Yep. I'm sharing it with her.
I want to get Rich and Tom here to look at every
Now put that gray one in. Now push the blue button. You did it, Elizabeth girl.
Exactly. Okay. You showed us the starter home. You showed us this property. Then you came to show us another property.
That's the right track. Oh, let me try
I'd be
this.
interested in that report because that would tell us how much money we have to work with.
You almost got it. Oh. Oh. Now, put it
Got
down.
it, she said. Did you hear that?
Now, push the blue button.
This is a neighborhood that has a lot of the things.
Push the blue button. Ah! You did it, girl.